Welcome. This is a short introduction to FastMaint's web and cloud editions. FastMaint Cloud is the web edition hosted by us. You access FastMaint web and cloud editions with a web browser. Use it with a desktop, laptop, most tablets and smartphones. So what can you do with FastMaint? Let's look at some common situations. First, scheduling and creating work orders for breakdowns as well as preventive maintenance. Use the import feature to bring in your equipment. You can also import spare parts, maintenance technicians, maintenance jobs and more. Start creating and scheduling unplanned maintenance work orders. You can use the default any other maintenance template or create your own. Create your own planned maintenance task templates. Schedule maintenance weekly, monthly, yearly, by meter readings, alarms and more. FastMaint will now automatically schedule these planned work orders. FastMaint can email out the work orders to your maintenance techs. It can even send reminders if the work order is not completed. Maintenance techs can email back work order updates. FastMaint will pick them up and close any work orders as needed. Have reports mailed to you or managers on a regular basis. You can also receive and manage maintenance requests from other departments or customers. You can tell FastMaint to receive maintenance requests by email. Collect these requests, approve them and create work orders as needed. Maintenance requesters can be kept updated of the progress by FastMaint. Finally, see how you are doing at a glance in the statistics report. Many are hyperlinks you can click on to get more information. Ready to try out FastMaint? Sign up for a free trial of FastMaint Cloud or download the software. Get started in just a few minutes.